Hi guys,
We are Technovolution.
Group 4, and today we are going to create a fading light. Hey babe, ay pakilala kayo. Ayan na yung dalawang coder namin, tapos ito yung taga-dissect yan. Ang pangalan niya ay Leslie.
So ito po yung mga programa ng ating bayan. Vlog style here.
Anong pangalan niya? Siya si
Anong pangalan mo?
Efren.
Efren.
Ryan here.
Ryan.
Ito po kami mag-start na assemble.
To create the Arduino project number 4, which is the fading light, we will need few materials. Here are the component list. First, we will need 2 pieces of mil-to-mil jumper cables or jumper wire, 1 220 ohms resistor, and lastly, 1 LED.
Dissecting the fading light is easy as it is similar to blinking LED and SOS beacon setup. It only requires a few materials. First, we connect the positive leg of the LED to the 7th hole of the breadboard. And next, we connect the first male-to-male jumper wire aligned to the hole of LED's negative leg and to the other end to the ground or ground of the microcontroller. Then, male-to-male jumper wire will be connected 4 holes apart from the positive leg of the LED. The wire's other end is connected to pin number 10. And lastly, the 220 ohms resistor is connected, aligned to the hole of the LED's positive leg, and the other jumper wire connected to the pin number 10. The resistor has only 4 gaps.
The provided Arduino code demonstrates how to create a simple fading light effect using a LED connected to the pin 10 of the Arduino board. So here's a brief explanation for that. First, the code of course starts by defining a constant integer called LED pin and assigns it to the value of 10, which is the pin number to where the LED is being connected. Next is in the setup function. We will input here the pin mode LED pin output, and it is used to declare a LED pin as an output pin, indicating that it will be used to control the LED itself. So the last but not the least is in the loop function. So we will include here the fade on and the fade off function. First one is in the fade on. We will set in the values of 1005. So it will be called to gradually increase the LED brightness for over a 1000 milliseconds or only a 1 second with a step size of 5. So it will be increasing the LED brightness in increments of 5. Next one is the fade off, and we will set also the value in 1005, which will gradually decrease the LED brightness for over 1000 milliseconds or 1 second with a step size of also 5.
Fade on function. This function is responsible for gradually increasing the LED brightness. It uses a for loop to increment the value from 0 to 255 in steps of increment. Inside the loop, it prints the current value to the serial monitor for debugging. It uses analog right LED pin value to set the LED brightness. It introduces a delay to control the speed of the fade effect based on the time and the increment value. Fade off function. This function is responsible for gradually decreasing the LED brightness. Similar to the fade on, it uses a for loop to decrement the value from 255 to 0 in steps of decrement. It also prints the current value to the serial monitor for debugging. It uses analog write LED pin value to set the LED brightness. It introduces a delay to control the speed of the fade out effect based on the time and the decrement value.